Y'all, I'm about to put you onto my best kept secret. Hop on Veneers. This smile is fake. I had bad teeth. And I really felt self-conscious about it for a long time. And then I found Pop on Veneers. Okay? They go in and they custom make these to your gum line. So all you gotta do, hop on. They look real. They look like I spent thousands and thousands of dollars to get real veneers. And now I know what you're thinking. You're like, well, do you have to take them out to eat? Do you have to take them out when you're drinking? That kind of defeats the purpose. Everyone's gonna know. I leave them in. No one knows unless I tell them. And you might be like, Brittany, I can't afford that. Pop-On has so many payment plans to make it affordable for you. So now you can have great teeth and not have to worry about it. So get that smile.